Hindi ya uruguria wa kambiini ya thiku ikumi ya uheani wa njanjo ya COVID-19, Thirikari kuhitukira Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yatanyite gukorwo iheanite njanjo mirioni 10 kwa ihinda ria thiku 10 no umuthi hari thiku ya 13 no akenya mirioni 2 mahotete kwamukira njanjo ino.
From that time to date, we have had close to 2 million vaccinations so far, which is a big improvement.
Kuringana na ndagitari Andrew Mulwa ni makoretwo magitongana na muoroto hindi ya mihang'o ya uheani wa njanjo ya andu kimumu. Mamwe ma muoroto maya ari Uhaguku wa ugitiri rugongo rwa bururi, undu uria utumite andu magie na guoya wa kwiyumiria, undu umwe na mitugo wa akenya kumairiria kwamukira njanjo ino.
We also have challenges with the logistics in terms of movement from one place to another, where some counties are vast. We also have the other obvious challenge where the campaign is happening when people are still working. So sometimes to get the communities to come out while they are doing their daily economic activities is also a challenge.
O muthenya njanjo gatagati ka 200 na 250 nicio irathecanwo guku ministry gitanya andu 300 guthie na iguru nio maria mukagira njanjo.
Average vaccinations have moved from an average of between 70 and 80,000 per day to between 200 and 250. Our target was to get to 1 million vaccinations a day, but we still are not yet there.
No ona gukirio uguo Mulwa ni ugite uheani wa njanjo ino guthie na mbere kuria maabitha 4,500 a ugima wa mwiri makoretwo magitwarithia mihang'o ino guothe bururi-ini.
Campaign teams can only the outreach teams can only do so much. We were able to marshal about now 4,500 vaccination teams which are out in the field, and when I talk about a vaccination team, I mean there is a vaccinator, there is a data person, there is a community mobilization person that is working as a team. So that is the team that is there.
Gukinyaniria na riu njanjo makiria ma mirioni 14 nicio ithecanitwo guku bururi-ini, andu mirioni 7 makiamukira njanjo ya mbere, andu mirioni 3.5 makiamukira njanjo cieri, ciana 372,172, 136 cia ukuru wa miaka 15 nginya 17 nio mamukirite njanjo, guku andu 228 makiamukira njanjo ya booster. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, riturako ni Wanjiru wa Foro.
I am